forget to transfer it to oil. Good morning guys, you're highly welcome to my channel. The weather here in Ireland is so beautiful. For the past 1 week now, we've been enjoying the sunshine, and it's 9:35. I just wake up. I just decide to make this remedy in the front of camera to share with you how I boost my energy, what I use to boost my immune system before going jogging or walk by the Bekkyshow. This remedy has been worked for me so well. I'm not the type of person that cough. I don't cough. I can cough if I have a dry throat, maybe if I didn't drink a lot of water. Don't get me wrong, but what I've been doing so far to protect me against this flu, cold, or sore throat, so I would love to share with you guys. It's a very straightforward remedy. So this remedy as well will help you to boost your immune system, and as well you have to have a good sleep. And if you are the type of person that you love drinking alcohol, like occasionally, you have to moderation, and have a good sleep and eat healthy food. There's millions, thousands of fruits or remedy we can eat to boost our immune system, and garlic as well. If you are the type of person like me, I chew garlic, 1 clove of garlic first thing in the morning with warm water as well. Like this morning, I've already chewed my garlic, and I would like to share with you. We can educate ourselves. If you have any remedy that that is better than mine, that can help me as well. Like me, I'm a outgoing person. With this beautiful weather, I won't stay at home, to be honest. I will go walking, beach, bring the kids. I'm just out for this I just like. So guys, I will share with you. Please guys, let me know what type of content you want me to be upload. You people that you subscribe to my channel, could you please watch my video, watch my home remedy. I've already even decided to be upload family vlog, and there's a new video now about COVID-19 by my partner Mark. So I uploaded that yesterday. I uploaded that 1:30 this morning. Guys, it's not easy to edit video, especially video on YouTube. It demands a lot. It's a challenge for me sometimes I might not even sleep till 1:30. Please guys, support me. I love doing video. I love showing my content. Please let me know your idea, or what is trend, what you guys think that people they're looking forward to watch. Share with me guys. I'm a small YouTuber. Share with you guys. Let me know, please guys. And this remedies help you boost your immune system. You see changes. Maybe you are the type of person that you find it difficult to sleep. This remedy will help you. And please sleep well, have a good sleep, and take it easy. Okay, so guys, the first ingredients we're going to be using lemon. Guys, you can also use lime, or you can also use the lemon or lime juice. Okay, this is what I could get, and it has to be organic. If you are living in Africa, you don't have to bother yourself, but we that we are living in Europe, so it has to be organic. Okay, lemon or lime contain high in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant which enhance in the immune system and has antiviral and antibacterial property. However, apart from supporting the immune system and it tastes good, lemon has many other important benefits as well. We use it for a lot of things, including our skin, our face. So we only need the half because I'm going to make tea out of it. So we are going to remove the seeds, guys. So I'm going to use the remaining tomorrow. So this is what I've been using, especially this period of COVID-19. So we have to take care of ourselves, guys, and may God see us through. I believe this period. So we need half of this, and we need Monica honey. Okay, you can get any brand, you can get raw honey, but I just like Monica honey. Also is full of vitamin. It will boost your energy, and if you have a wound, it's also good. It's also good to cure wounds. So we need teaspoon of honey. I used to mix tablespoon and teaspoon. So pardon my English. And we all know the second ingredient we're gonna be used. We need black seed oil. You can use only black seed oil, guys. And then black seed oil contains a lot of vitamins, a lot of good benefit as well. Google, you can check it online, guys. You can use black seed for everything. You can use it to grow your hair. We need teaspoon. You need a teaspoon of a black seed. You can use it to grow your hair. If you are the type of person that you have a problem of digestion, you can use it as well. It's good for diabetes, and it's so a lot of benefits that black seeds oil contain. I'm still going to remove the seed, guys. You have to remove the seed. I'm going to take my time to remove the seed. So guys, the third ingredient we're going to be using, we need organic garlic. So we only need 1 clove. You can also show it as well. I show 1 clove of garlic before anything first thing in the morning, and I'm going to drink this now. So I just say let me share with you guys. So it's only 9:45 now. So we are going to blend all this together. So we need 1 clove of garlic. Garlic can boost immune function. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Garlic contains a compound called healing. So we need garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Garlic boosts immune function, so we need garlic. The fourth ingredient is going to be turmeric. We all know the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural way to boost and to help our immune system. Turmeric contains a lot of minerals, a lot of vitamins that our system, our body need. The children just awake, guys. So sorry about that. So we need 1 turmeric. So we have to take off the skin, guys. I'm going to be taking off the skin. So some people will leave the skin, but I find that when I leave the skin, is too bitter, so I normally remove the skin. So you can also do it like that as well. You can leave the skin, but it will taste different. So you can try to leave the skin, and maybe some other day you can remove the skin. When you remove the skin, you will taste the turmeric taste, and it will be more lighter. You will just like the taste, but try either of the two. So I usually remove the skin. So guys, we're going to blend them together. I'm going to go ahead now. I will blend it. So this is how we're gonna make the tea. This is how I make my immune system tea. So I will go right now. I will blend it and I'll be right back. So guys, I need to bring it to blend. You don't have to add water, okay? We need the concentrate one because we are still going to be adding a boiling water. So you have to just blend it like this. We need the concentrate of this product, okay guys? So guys, this is how it looks when it's blended. So I'm going to be empty this and I'm going to bring the water to the boil, and we diluted it, and our tea for immune system is ready to drink. To bring the water to a boil, so I will be right back. We wait for the water to boil. If this helps you boost your immune system, boost your energy, you can also wear gloves because turmeric is very strong to remove from hands. It can stain your equipment, so you have to bear with that. So the water is ready. So this is how I make my tea first thing in the morning. So guys, this is how it looks. It tastes nice, guys. Give it a go, and guys, please let me know what you guys should think. And I swear, as a Nigerian person, I normally use this to rinse. You see, you have to be careful. I'm going to wash those, so I dust this a lot. So I don't want to be perfect in the front of the camera. I dust that usually almost every day. I dust that. So guys, this is my smoothie jug. I just said let me share with you, and I want you guys to be able to see the transparency. So it's really tastes sour. So give it a go. You might like it, you might not like it. This will actually change your mood as well. You feel happy and you feel lighter. Please guys, let me know guys what you think. And it's really lovely. I like it. So guys, give it a go and let me know. Subscribe. Watch some of the video. There's a lot of video there that I've uploaded. I have a lot of subscribers, but my video is so little. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I don't know where to upload it. I don't know what the other YouTuber they are doing. I don't know what other YouTubers they are doing. You know, some people doesn't even have a good thumbnails, and they will get viewer, then we have less subscriber. I have a lot of subscribers. If I could have those subscribers, if those my lovely people who went to go and view some of my video, I'll be so happy. Please guys, I want to know what you guys you really want. Tell me now guys, I'm waiting. Tell me guys, please. I want to know what is trend. You tell me what is going on YouTube. What you guys you want, what type of content you guys want. Let me know. So guys, I better go for jogging now. So I'll be going for jogging, and my baby's awake. Yes honey, good girl. So I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye for now.